Oh yeah, I just totally matched with this new place on Zillow. It looks really great. Oh, we've only been talking for like an hour. But I'm really excited. So you had me at Spacefish living room, but I have to ask, are you more of the stay in or lavish party kind of place?
Oh, I can keep it cozy or get the party pulsing. Just whisper how you like it. I'm all about pleasing.
So I'm looking for a place that can handle my baking experiments, and by experiments I mean occasionally setting off the smoke alarm. How's your ventilation?
I've got an exhaust that knows how to handle the heat. Perfect for when things get a little too steamy in the kitchen.
Well, what about downtime? I need a place where I can relax.
Consider me your personal oasis. I wrap around you tighter than your favorite blanket on a cold night. Ready to unwind?
So, here we are. Probably not the conversation you were expecting to have today, but I believe in open communication in all areas of the house. You're doing great, by the way. Very supportive and comforting in these pivotal moments.
Ooh, I'm all about openness, with plenty of space to breathe and dream. And trust me, my foundations are as strong as they are discreet, ready to handle whatever you throw my way.
So, I've been thinking, and I think we could take this relationship to the next level. Maybe install one of those high-tech Japanese toilets with heated seats? What do you think?
Upgrade to a fancy throne? I'm all for warming up our relationship. Let's bring on the heat and see where things go.
Ooh. Well, thanks for the heart-to-heart, and I feel like we've really bonded. And you're more than just a house to me. You're a companion on this wild ride called life. Thanks for your support.
Of course, love. A home is where the heart settles and the smiles happen. Let's keep crafting those beautiful moments.